today I'm going to bake. I'm gonna bake cake, and it's gonna be strawberry cake. I've never tried strawberry cake before, so yeah. So first what we're going to do is take our box that has the cake stuff in it, and we're gonna open it up. Take out the pink stuff, it looks so pretty. And you don't want to open it up like you're opening up a chip bag, because I've seen people do that and it's exploded in their face. So don't try that at home, kids. Do it with scissors. So we're just gonna cut it a little bit, and then we're gonna pour it into our mixer. And then we throw this in the local trash can. And what we always want to do is wash our hands before we start doing this stuff. We're gonna use soap and wash our hands. Dry your hands with a local towel or whatever you're using. Now we're gonna take our measuring cup and measure 1 cup of water. So now that you have 1 cup of water in your measuring thingy, you want to pour it into here. Ooh. Now you take your vegetable oil and you put 1/2 cup of it inside of here. Now you want to pour it into your mixer. Now you want to take 3 eggs. You want to take 3 eggs and crack them. If you can, do it with one hand so your hand does not get messy. And I can do it with one hand, so. Messy. So we're gonna put the shell in the local trash can, and we're gonna bring the trash can over here so that it's easier for us to do, because we don't wanna bring egg grossness over across the floor because it might fall. Ooh, that was like perfect. Woo! Yeah! Make sure you do not get any egg shells in it, because the person eating the cake will die. That one was good too. Now you want to wash your hands. So now you don't really need the trash can anymore, so you can scoot that back. So now I want to turn our mixer onto like low. So you just want to mix it until it's thoroughly combined, which means it looks like a batter. And add the eggs at the same time. So now we're gonna put in some eggs. This batter's looking very good, but we're gonna have to keep mixing it. It smells very strawberry-y. So now we're gonna put this up. So now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 if you live in the United States. I don't know if they do anything else like that in Canada or anything else, but yeah. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then take some cooking spray and spray your pans. So now we put our cake mix into our measuring cup, and we're gonna pour it in like about halfway, because it's always gonna rise. So we're going to use our blue spatula to get everything out. We're gonna take out a bucket our bucket thingy and pour the rest of this in there. So now we're going to put it in the oven for 29 to 33 minutes. And always go the lower number because, or else it'll burn. So we're gonna open up the oven. Our cake mix on the top rack. And we're gonna do it on the top rack because I don't know what's gonna happen on the other racks. So evenly distributed. So I'll see you when the cake is done. Bye. So now we have the cakes out and we're going to put it this way, right? We're going to put it on a cooling rack. So we're gonna place it like that and to flip it over. Oh. Sorry. So now we're gonna go over to our processor to make it extra berry. We're gonna process some strawberries. We have a snacky bowl full of cut up strawberries, and we're gonna put we're gonna fill this so we're gonna put all of them in there. And now what we need to do is now we need to process it. So once you get it to like this consistency, take the lid off and place this in the refrigerator until you need it.